Listen to the leaves, they whisper and sway. Golden rays of sunlight brighten the day. A gentle stream hums a soothing tune. Nature's arms cradle beneath the moon. In nature's embrace, where the skies are wide, every heart finds peace, no need to hide. With animals near and the earth so kind, every step we take, we leave worries behind. The birds take flight, painting the air. A deer in the meadow, grazing with care. The fragrance of flowers fills the breeze. Nature's love wraps us with ease. Every tree holds a secret untold. Mountains sing of wisdom, ancient and bold. Let's sing together